Brajo.
Yeah.
Kopogole di brel.
Bosigo.
Kopogole di brel go bosigo.
Go bosigo. No, ke na le eye infection.
Brajo ba go bona wena o re bone sentle wena re go itse o batla go rutswana.
Re itshokile the whole day. I think it's high time re want to ra kopa please.
All right. Okay.
Wow. I knew it.
You knew what? Okay.
Mara ke buile Team di celebrity. Yo.
Ke ngibona mang?
Seshaba.
Ah wena.
Wa go sidingo. Le ko bone of my bones no actor ko teng.
Wena. Nna le sheba TV ya holo ne? That's why I was about to go long because you're busy with TV. I'm going to get a around.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Because Kalingana.
Brajo.
Sure, man.
Hey, yo, ke celebrity. Nka qala celebrity.
But anyway, okay, Sharp. Can I lay a young gift for you? I will not hold this meeting any longer. I kind of have to tell you, Kedibone ukuthi unempahla yakhe, you know. But now the strange thing is that imali iphuma etameni labo boyi-3, you know. So how are the other ones going to feel knowing that abana inheritance and sisters senunayo? So it's a bit awkward. Ke mang motho?
Ke le time, papa.
Ke papa. Kedibone, what's happening as you see this picture?
You know, it was the memories tsa khale tsele. But then again, it gets happy at the same time. Ke feel ka roteng ebile it's
Lebo?
Nka ka bua ke mo shebile yana.
Tumi?
Eso ke re nka re halo. Tla ya tlotlo re bona.
Yeah. Ma go important gore re accept gore asale.
Hey, la go le thata man.
Go thata ne? But you can still make it right by him. But then the main reason why I came for you, Baba, just to give you this present. Actually, Mahlatsi o tla le show e bitswang Unefa. Because ntama lusetse lefa. Yes. And all you have to do is just go claim this money, the estate ya gago at the master's office with the ID ya gago. Wena.
oh my God.
And so that you can be able to finish your school. And your studies and in this change situation I'm through. Should I read it out for you?
Yes.
This letter serves as a confirmation that money was left for you from the Guardian Fund. In order to claim these funds, please take your ID to the nearest master's office.
Wow. Can't I go now? Can't I fly?
I was so happy. Lebo sister wa ka ba happy for me.
How do you feel?
Happy. Happy too much.
Yeah.
Yo, na ke happy yo. Ke happy yo.
Maketse.
Letsatsi la ka yo ke happy.
Papa wa a kgetile Kedibone fela le one go tsho gore na morata thata go phala rona bo. Ke ga le gone ke reng batho papa se tlhogo so. Papa motho I one.
Amare ke tsela kopa zogale.
Mara bophelo ne.
Bophelo ke ntweng. Bophelo ke ntweng. Maro there's actually more, man. Lebo lona helile thu ke le tshwaretse di watch. Ne?
Ke lo rekisa watch Brajo mpileng.
How do you feel?
Ka joko ke surprise ya ka ke ya ntlhabile wetse ke nkesho ke ya bofelo mo lefatsheng.
Maybe raswa for ndag.
Okay, Sharp. Lebza kopa tshware blue. Ne? And then lona tshwara na. Kopa le bule.
Se watch mo.
Ke.
Tla kwano. Wow. Wow. Rase.
Mongwe le mongwe at least no na le dilo tsa gage. It's up to us gore go change life ya go or o batla o sentse o batla go ba di willing ka teng.
If ever you thought, on a second chance,
Ke teng.
key.
Wow.
If you lose this one, you have no one to blame. Don't blame your parents because they left you this fund.
Tšhelete ke kry-ileng ke tsamaya ke boela ko sekolong ke lo tsweletsa dithuto tsaka gore at least le nna ke be motho o sharpo.
You have to do right ka tšhelete.
Nna tšhelete e tswa ke tla go lokisa mo ntlong go renovata mo ntlong ke sekolong wa bo. Le nna ga tšhelete e tswa ke batla ga di-room na di-big room tsenya bana ba ka sekolo ke ba invested.
I would like to thank Brajo for effort a editseng and re thusitse a lot and I'm very grateful for that.